Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you mushroom biryani. Mushroom biryani is prepared in many different ways. I'm going to show you how to prepare it in a very easy format at home. So I've laid out all the ingredients here. Whatever ingredients I've prepped and laid out, all the ingredients including a detailed blog post, a detailed recipe blog post will be listed in the description box below this video. Now let's start the recipe. Here I have heated a kadai on medium flame. In this one wok, I'll be preparing the entire biryani. So I've added ghee and oil to the wok and I'll allow it to heat up well. So normally the steel woks, you have to place it on low flame and then you have to increase the flame. Here I've added whole spices and I've added onion, chilies, coriander and mint. We'll fry all these ingredients till the onion turns transparent. You don't have to fry it too much. You just have to fry till the onion turns transparent. Since I already had ginger and garlic paste at home, I'm using ginger and garlic paste. But you can also use whole ginger and garlic in this recipe. Now I'm adding dried fenugreek leaves. If you can find fresh fenugreek leaves, you can use that as well. That will taste even better. Now I'm going to fry all these ingredients for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is going to be the base masala for the recipe. This will be on the spicy side. Now once all the ingredients are fried, I'm just going to lower the flame and remove the masala to a mixer jar and allow it to cool down completely. Once all the spices and all these ingredients cool down completely, I will add a small splash of water to this, just about 2 tablespoons of water, and grind this into a smooth paste. This is going to be our biryani masala paste. I've heated the same wok with ghee and oil again to prepare the rice. I'll be adding cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and 1 black cardamom. We'll fry the spices till it splutters. I've also added bay leaf. Now I'm going to be adding cashew nuts and we'll allow all of these ingredients to fry a bit. Once all these ingredients fry a bit, then I'll be adding chopped onions, slit green chilies. We'll fry the onions and slit green chilies till the onion turns transparent. This is very simple recipe. Now once you're preparing this, make sure you wash your rice and soak it for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding peas here. These peas have to cook. So to cook the peas down, I'm going to add half a cup of water. Now this is the water measurement I'm going to be using. I've added half a cup of water here. I'll add some salt and cook the peas. Now you can see the peas have cooked. It's absorbed most of that water and moisture. It is about quarter cup of water at this point. Now what I'll do, I'll add the biryani masala paste that I prepared earlier. You add it in small batches and you keep frying it. Once and for all, if you add the entire thing, then you won't know the taste. So add it in small batches. Now I'm going to be adding the rice. The masala paste can be adjusted once you add the rice also, because it might get very spicy. So I've added the rice. This is washed and soaked rice. I'm using Jeera rice. I've also added salt as per taste. Now we'll fry the rice along with the masala. I'll tell you when to adjust the masala. Now I'll add mushrooms and I've added water. Now I'm going to add water for the rice. So for every 1 glass of rice, I'm using 1.5 glasses of water. So that's the measure. So if you're going to use half a kilo mushrooms, you're going to use half a kilo rice. Or you can also do one thing. If you're using half a kilo mushrooms, you can use 300 grams rice. That's up to you if you want more mushrooms in the rice. So here I've used 300 grams mushrooms, and accordingly I've used rice for the recipe. Now I'm going to stir all the ingredients, and now you check for spice level. Once you check the spice level, if it's correct, then you place the lid and place it on low flame for 20 minutes. Don't open your kadai. Once your rice is cooked after 20 minutes, add ghee. Again place the lid on the kadai and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes, and then switch off the flame. So at this point your mushroom biryani is done. The rice, you can see how good it has turned out. It was very nice and tasty. Do give this recipe a try, friends. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. This is like Natti style biryani, and it is on the spicy side. It was very nice and tasty. All the ingredients along with my social media handlings and the blog link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment and share this recipe with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.